These 8, 9 men standing, and they were kind of holding a collar, and I asked them, "Aap kar kya rahe ho?" And they said, "Ma'am, we've got these small little dog under our van here outside the office. For the last 2 years, we've been feeding it and stuff. And now that we see the stray Supreme Court order, we want to ensure that he's not picked up. So they got a collar. They were trying to kind of collar him and everything, but he was running away because I guess he was scared of 6 people. So as I stood there, I just cutely called him. He came into my lap and everything, but they couldn't tie the collar. And a series of other dogs followed. And the message is, the realization is, and the point is that those stray dogs didn't even know me, but they did nothing to me. All they did was try to get into my lap and play with me, get my adoration and stuff, wag their tails, lie down and stuff. And the message is, if you are having them sterilized, and if you're kind of vaccinating him and stuff, make them wear a collar of a certain kind and stuff, with a message probably that they're already taken care of and tagged. And what's important is to also realize that none of the dogs attacked anybody yesterday. There was this huge traffic situation off and on happening, but this was a peaceful thingy, so the traffic would clear up. The animals never came jumping on anybody or biting anybody. So maybe we can have messages like these also. And the objective yesterday was to raise a voice and stuff. And I'm very sure that the media is going to do a good job, because they definitely shared this, that they are neutral about it, and some of them are doing their jobs. And it's a question, like Abhinav from Hindustan Times said, it's a question of personal ego and conditioning, where people don't even talk about animals or don't even want to kind of discuss the animal, but they want to take it out on the animal and the pet and stuff. So the prayer got answered. I got talking to the media as well. We've had this whole thing of people coming in, the caretakers, dog lovers, children, of course, the police, the Delhi police, the Noida police was there, and they were just standing there, and they let the protest pass. Of course, they were in a media area, so probably they couldn't have kind of they didn't want to make the situation get worse, because it was peaceful. They came in and they signed on the posters and stuff and all that. So I believe In It Together definitely is going to have a spin-off effect. And now we see celebrities coming on TV. We've got sports people from Delhi coming in and stuff. So do come forward and do share. And if you want that change to happen, बात करने से नहीं होगा, मैसेज शेयर करने से होगा, और एक्शन लेने से ज़रूर होगा. ऑनलाइन ज़रूर शेयर कीजिए, मगर ऑफलाइन वर्क ज़रूर कीजिएगा. आप ऑफलाइन नहीं करेंगे और ऑनलाइन शेयर करते रहेंगे, एक पॉइंट के बाद लोग सैचुरेट हो जाएंगे.